such amazing people here tonight. So yeah, working with Carpenter Production is always different because as a makeup artist, we get to, I get to experience, to experience different things, to try new things. So working with Carpenter Production is something I cannot explain in words because she always wanted different, just they say. So yeah, it was actually amazing working with the production.
Well, thank you, Tazashia. Like all of you just said, different. I think the word different itself defines a lot about Khathamsa production. It thinks differently, it does things differently, and I think that is what we get to see. When we see the final product, we automatically get to know that yes, it is done, it is made beautifully, it is made perfectly, because it also thinks differently. I think from there, from a different perspective and everything, it's really different from the other kind of music videos that we have in Tripura, and kudos to the team, congratulations.
And so we will wrap up for tonight because we have more things coming up. It's going to be a new year tomorrow, and people are already set to go ahead with a new mood to welcome the 2024. And by tomorrow in the morning at 9 o'clock, you will be seeing Anis Sumai, the music video, which is shot and will be a film later on. Is going to be really awesome to be starting with Anis Mai, which is My Promise. And that could also be our resolution for 2024, that we try and keep our promise to our loved ones and our friend circles and everything that we really look for. And so I think this is really awesome. The team has done really well. Khathamsa, kudos to you all. And this has been really awesome journey to be talking to you all. And this is really wonderful to end with you all for 2023. And so thank you viewers for being with us. Thank you audience for being with us and being so patient, listening to us, hearing us, and watching this show. And so thank you everyone for everything that you have done and for your love and support for Khathamsa Production. And we'd like to thank all the media partners and also our sponsors for this beautiful event. The singers have done really well. The musicians have, the music directors, our music director has also done a really awesome job. The makeup artist has done her best that she could in the meantime. As we welcome 2024, let's celebrate Anis Sumai. Thank you all for being here with us. Good night. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. And in advance, Happy New Year to every one of you. Thank you so much.
Creativity. Whatever she does, she crafts it very genuinely, very deeply. And that is how, even this time, I already knew that the first hand that I put on the music that is not going to be final. So we kept changing this, that. Many times I had to export, and after putting something, she will revert back to me, please remove this, please add that. And one very specific thing on every project she used to tell me about, something is missing, but she really doesn't know what is missing. That is very hard to guess, very hard to catch, She will only say, something is missing. That is very, very difficult for a musician, for a music director to fill up actually what is missing. So even that, after few tries, several tries, finally, somehow it satisfies her, and I could get what she was really looking for. So the result is here. Now people only will know how it is. It won't be wise for me to say this was really nice music or wow, that would be a kind of self-praise. So I leave everything on the audience.
Right. But we have seen you doing lots of music and even in the past, and they were really awesome. But what what I want to say is that you have already seen the video right here, and did it really justify to the music that you have seen with the video? Did it sync well, or do you think anything that can happen more? What according to you, that can be added? Because we definitely have to work on things that we missed out. But the thing that you already said, that something is missing. I want to say that if you have forgotten something, then you have remembered something that you have forgotten something. So that's really that will keep on circling round and round. Did it really justify the music and the video, and did it sync well according to you?
According to me, everything was crafted well. I feel nothing missing. If I judge this in the aspect of budget and equipment and everything. See, in Tripura, one very big challenge is everyone, let it be a filmmaker, let it be a music director, everyone faces one very common problem is whenever a client comes, they will first give you the reference from Bollywood or Hollywood, okay, which cost around say like 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs or 50 lakhs, something around, yeah, even more than that. And when it comes to the matter of charging or spending, it's like 10,000, 5,000. Even that they will try to bargain, right? So if I just according to that, we are very limited in sources, budget and then equipment. Yet this result is really awesome, I should say. I'm well satisfied. I don't feel that something is missing here anymore. According to the budget, of course, if someone who works for the lakhs and lakhs or crores budget projects, maybe they can find some of the things maybe they wanted to. But as for me, I don't find anything lacking on this music video. And then one very specific thing I wanted to share with you all. One very specific thing newly I tried in this music video. Sorry, not music video, music. That is actually whistling. You might have heard whistling in the beginning of the music. And Brother Napunil tried to remove it. Again and again. He complained to Sister Sarmili again and again, please remove this whistle. And I kept insisting, please keep this whistle. Right? Because
Something new has to be there.
yeah.
Okay.
Moreover, according to the script, according to the situation I was told about, explained about, it was really soothing that whistle. Yeah. So you might have that was really manual, the original whistle only, not played from keyboard or not made from any other thing.
I just have to interrupt a little bit. I just wanted to ask, are you the one who was whistling? Whose whistle was it? I have to say it was amazing.
Really glad. To be honest, at the first time, whenever I hear that Sister Sarmili is going to do such and such and such, then first of all, what comes in my mind is, yes, this time something big trouble is going to be on my hand. That is what the first thing that comes to my mind. But eventually, that trouble happens all for good only. And that is how, as a reference, we can talk about Pensalama. That was really a very refined music video in terms of music, in terms of acting, in terms of cinematography, everything. So